Hi, I'm Alex from Logitech, and I'm excited to share a great new product, Logitech Scribe. Over the next few minutes, I'll share what Scribe is, what it can do, and show you Scribe in action. In the hybrid workforce, high-quality video and audio are essential to productive meetings, and that's why Logitech developed enterprise-grade AV with the Rally family, along with center-of-room touch control with Tap to offer solutions for small, medium, and large rooms. While face-to-face collaboration is powerful, we also know that when teams need to visually communicate an idea, nothing beats the familiarity of a whiteboard and dry erase markers, which are found in most meeting rooms but are difficult to incorporate into video meetings. And that's why we developed Logitech Scribe, an AI-powered whiteboard camera for remote collaboration and hybrid workforces. Scribe adds whiteboard sharing to video conferencing rooms of all sizes, small, medium, or large. Scribe integrates with most video conferencing solutions, including the one we'll look at today, Microsoft Teams rooms. Simply join the meeting and start sharing. Scribe works with all whiteboard surfaces, capturing a wide array of sizes and any set of dry erase markers. Initiate sharing with Scribe's Share button or with your meeting room touch controller like Logitech Tap. With built-in AI and a custom lens, Scribe broadcasts whiteboard content into video meetings with outstanding clarity. Now, even remote participants can have the best seat at the table. And Scribe's built-in AI delivers transparency effect, allowing participants to see through the presenter for an unobstructed view of the whiteboard. Scribe automatically enhances the color and contrast of dry erase markers, making text and sketches easier to read. It also uses image segmentation to recognize and show other forms of content like sticky notes. Scribe blends right into meeting rooms so the focus can stay on collaboration. Securely mount Scribe to a variety of wall surfaces with the included installation kit. Ensure clean, confident installs with cable retention and options to route cabling up, down, or through the wall. Use the included 10 meters of category cable or supply your own to fit the size and layout of your meeting room. Together with the whiteboard content camera, Scribe includes a wireless share button, mounting components, power supply, and category cables for deployment at scale. Scribe is compatible with virtually any video conferencing application as a USB-connected camera, and that gives it the flexibility to be used in educational settings or even home offices. With Logitech Sync, you can even monitor and manage Scribe along with your other meeting room devices from one single platform. So now that I've told you a little bit about what Scribe is and what it can do, let's take a look at the product itself, pull it out of the box, set it up, and see it in action. To start off, let's take a look at what came in the box, my experience setting it up, and some of the features and performance of the device. So first things first, there is the Logitech Scribe, an AI-powered whiteboard camera for remote collaboration and hybrid workforces. Now, this is a purpose-built camera, and you can see it's aesthetically pleasing, and it is designed for this job. Now, also included in the box is a share button. The share button makes it super easy for you to just walk up, press the button, and immediately start sharing your whiteboarding content right into your virtual meeting space. Now, in addition to that share button, you of course have your mounting equipment, and that includes all of the base plates to mount everything to the wall, as well as this really nifty little card that lets you get your spacing just right. Now, in addition to the mounting equipment, you also have the things that are required for connectivity. In this case, a couple of category cables, power supply, and a USB adapter. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I have this really nice whiteboard on the wall in my office, so this is the perfect place for me to mount Logitech Scribe. So the first thing I need to do is get the spacing card out, and I can just put that right on the wall. And this is a really nice little template that lets me get the alignment just right. So I'm just going to find the center of my whiteboard, and then I'm going to use a Sharpie and just quickly mark and know right where to put my screws. So now I've got the holes marked on the wall. I'm going to take the base plate, and the base plate's really cool. It's got this nice adhesive on the back, so I can just get it aligned just right and press it right to the wall, and it's going to stay in place. Now, the next thing I need to do is get my screws and go ahead and screw this to the wall. Now, in your scenario, you might like to use some anchors, but in my case, I have a really nice backing plate on the wall, and so I'm able to just mount this directly. And just like that, the plate is on the wall. Now the next step is to get my camera and get it connected. So I'm going to take the Logitech Scribe, I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to plug the category cable right into the port on the back. And then I'm going to route the cable right through this nice cable management that's provided on the device itself. That's it. I'm ready to mount it to the wall. So it's really simple to mount. You just kind of put it right onto the tabs at the top, and then it tilts right down into place. And there you have it, a Logitech Scribe mounted above the whiteboard. So the next piece for me to mount is the Logitech share button, and I'm just going to go ahead and get that base plate. It's got a nice adhesive, so I can just stick it right to the wall, right where I want it, so it's convenient for me to press. And then I'm going to take the button, and it just kind of goes right into place and then rotates clockwise and is securely fastened there. Nice and easy. So now that everything is mounted to the wall and all the installation hard work is done, it's time to get everything set up and connected. So I'm going to take my category cables and plug them into the provided power supply. And this can be located pretty much anywhere in the space. I have a nice credenza, so I'm going to put it right here on the wall, and then I'll put the credenza in front of it. And there you go. And the last step is to plug the other end of that category cable into this nice USB adapter and plug that into my meeting room PC. And there we go, Logitech Scribe installed and connected. So once you get it all connected and you're ready to go, you're going to want to go ahead and log into Logitech Sync. Now, Sync is our management portal, and it's really cool. It allows you to manage all your Logitech devices and rooms at scale. And there's also options to get really cool insights about the health of your meeting rooms. You can update firmwares, do all kinds of really cool stuff. Now, right here in Sync, I have the ability to customize the experience of Scribe. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that the calibration is already good. Now, the calibration happens automatically, which is really cool. All that AI is happening right inside the camera. And so I can see a nice visual right on screen here of what that looks like. And once I'm happy, I just go ahead and click confirm. And that's it. I'm up and running and ready to go. So here is Logitech Scribe presenting into a Teams call. Now, this is connected right into my Teams room, which is set up right here with my rally bar. And it's really simple for me to just click to share my content right into the meeting so that everyone gets a really nice experience and can see what I'm doing here. So as you can see, I can just walk right up to the board. I can be whiteboarding. And while I'm whiteboarding, you can see that that is automatically happening right into the Teams call. And if you're a remote participant and you're on your laptop, you're still able to get the best seat in the house because you can see everything happening in real time. And that is an absolute game changer for me because I'm constantly doing whiteboarding sessions and workshops with my team. So there you have it. With Logitech Scribe, it's never been easier to add whiteboarding to the hybrid work experience. To learn more about Logitech Scribe and other products from Logitech, head on over to logitech.com.